Hi, I'm Luke Magness with Decaf 4-H, and today we're going to make a chocolate milkshake. First thing you'll need is a large glass, just to put in when you're done. 3 or 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and you'll need an ice cream scooper. A half cup of milk. I'm using 1%, but you can use whatever kind of milk you like. A 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup and whipped cream at the end. You don't really have to have that, it's just optional. You'll also need a blender and maybe a spatula to get the syrup out. First thing you do is put the 3 or 4 scoops of ice cream in. Next, you add your 4th cup of milk.
It's a half, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a half, excuse me. Then your 4th cup of chocolate syrup. This is where you have to use the spatula. And then you're going to put your lid on. You're going to blend it till it's smooth. Looks good. Take your large glass. This is where you can add your whipped cream.
Shake that really well.
Shake it well. And something I always like to do, just to give it looking good, is just to put a little chocolate syrup on top. You may have a little, you may have a little mustache, but that's all right. Thank you for watching.